You honor me this way.
Thank you, Jesus.
Your Excellencies, our distinguished senators that are here, members of the House of Representatives that are here, the honorable members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by the Speaker, that are here, Chairman of People's Democratic Party and All Progressive Congress. The Chairman of the Elders Council, Chief Freddy Alabraba, and all other traditional rulers that are here, our dear leaders that are here, particularly the leaders of the Kalabari nation of Ijaw ethnic nationality. Our dear champion of council, our dear women, our dear youth, let me say, God is infinite mercy. God will continue to bless all of you. Ordinarily, I don't like things like this. But I said I will come. When I heard some people say I will not come here, I said I will come here. And I said this occasion must go on. Who them be? How many them they?
How many them they? Why we don't go in there? How many them they?
Now let me tell you something. The Kalabari nation. Let me first of all recognize my dear younger ones, Dr. Ojuka, Dr. George Kelly, who's the Executive Secretary of the Border Nations Communities, and the DG, Energy and Security and Nurse Office, Honorable Flag Ojukaye Amakri, and people like Dawari them, all of you. What you have done today is to tell the world all this noise in the radio is not the real thing. You are the Calabaris, you are of the Ijaw nation, and you are receiving me today. God will continue to bless you. I will continue to stand by you. I will continue to support you wherever I want me to support you. Let me say it clearly. What I said on my interview, people will want to misinterpret. Whatever they want to misinterpret is their business. What I said is this, and I want to repeat it. We are all working together. If we don't work together, it will be difficult to produce a government. That's what I said. Where is Chief Federal? Where is he? He's here. Where is Chief? Where is the Latin? Where is Chief Federal? He's here. Hold on. So that you will know, this is the man. He never allowed me to rest. He nearly fainted when we were deciding who will become governor. himself, O.C. Jokocha, Chief Sergeant Awuse, and this boy, Celeste Robeha. Hold on. I say boy, hold on. Why I say boy? When you are even 80 years, you don't behave like an elder. You behave like a boy. Then they call you a boy. Not be so. Now let me tell you, when we met, that day was the primaries. This governor today, he said he was not going to run. That my Commissioner of Finance, Isaac Kamalo, should be the one to run. At that point, I saw his face. He was gone. He was gone. Sadat Nomeha said, yes, it is Isaac Kamalo. That this governor cannot carry out effectively the functions of the governor. O.C. Jokocha and Chief Awuse said, look, live and let live. Let us not do something that people will begin to say, why must it be only one-sided? Let us give this boy to be. So what I meant was this. It was not because of the strength or power of Ijo. It was because we say we are working together. Live and let live. That's the answer. So you cannot every time, and nobody should be associating anything evil to Ijo. Ijo people are not evil people. Ijo people are not evil people. You cannot every time when something happens, the only thing you hear, you blow pipeline. No. No. You cannot even engage people intellectually, engage people diplomatically, and you will get over what you want to get. That the world we are in today, we are past the stage of threat to anybody. I told you, the members of assembly will not lose their seat. Have they lost their seat? I told you that shenanigan, they said they were doing local government election, it will not stand. Is it there today? I don't need to be a governor. I don't need to. I know what's illegal is illegal. In any fight, we'll fight it constitutionally and by following due process. Rule of law is key.
Obey. Si Fubara must obey, Wike. Obey. Si Fubara must obey, Wike. Obey. Si Fubara must obey, Wike. Obey. Si Fubara must obey, Wike.
What did we do wrong? We said, look, all these council chairmen suffered. All these assembly boys suffered. National Assembly members suffered for you to become governor. Therefore, don't abandon them. That's the only offense I committed. And then they say, every time I'm asking for money, which money am I asking for? Okay, thank you. Has the money come? Those whom they are sharing the money, half.
So therefore, day your day, make I day my day. Nobody worry, I'm Nobody worry, I'm
So, Judge Kelly or Jukai have read so many things. But what I will always tell people, remember yesterday. Remember yesterday. A man is bad. A man is a crook. A man is a criminal. But it was that criminal. It was that crook who said, come. But against all. If I hate the job people, I would not have considered to it. And nothing would have happened. But because of my principle of live and let her live. Yendeba.
Lela Cabo, Lela Cabo, Lela Cabo, Lela Cabo, yes, a weekend. Lela Cabo, Acabo de Parayota. Who said Lela Cabo? Lela Cabo, Acabo de Parayota.
If you watch, all those around the governor are people who are natural ingrates. So what? Nobody is not an ingrate with what is going on. Only those who believe that they cannot appreciate and thank God for any good thing will associate them with themselves. All these things are seen. I told the governor, God get peacefully. Eat it peacefully. It is not good for you to face this crisis. But they told him, you are governor, you have money. I agree. Money is not everything. All these people, they have nothing to offer. They have nothing. See where we are now. See where we are. How far? How far?
Mama, we don't follow, we can go. Papa, we don't follow, we can go. If you see my mama, tell her, don't follow, we can go. If you see my papa, tell her, don't follow, we can go. Everybody say, Mama, we don't follow, we can go. I don't follow, go. Papa, we don't follow, we can go. If you see my papa, tell her, I don't follow, we can go. If you see my papa, tell her, say we don't follow, we can go. If you see my mama, Hosanna, tell them so. I don't follow your Jews. It's a big leader.
So, look at this road. I sat down with Julius Berger, signed an agreement. Judge Kelly is here, was Commissioner of Works. Said, Julius Berger will be paying you $6 billion every month through our IGR. This road and the one from Ahuda to Ombok, I was the one. I called him. See what we have done. We have paid for about 8 months. Continue. These are programs and projects that will sell you to the people of River State. I called him, took him to Germany, sat down with Julius Berger. Judge Kelly is alive. Chico Igonima is alive. Chicken is alive. We met in Wiesbaden to draw up the ring road. In the Executive Council meeting of River State, I brought him to sit down in the Executive Council meeting. This project must be done. Therefore, we will take money from Zenith Bank. This is how much you'll be paying every month. This project will sell you to the people of Rivers. All these ones that are going about now were all my initiatives. And I thought that we are working together. I have handed over this to you. Go ahead. Let them tell me what initiative they have put on ground. Let them tell me one. It's not to abuse us. You can abuse me as much as you want. And let me tell you, I've never bothered myself. Abuse, they kill anybody. You don't see who abuse, don't kill. What is important is the result, is it not? Not now who get high blood pressure? Huh? Not with them. We with they sit down, they enjoy, then they get high blood pressure. That's what I was avoiding. So look, don't go through this route. You went, they told you to seize assembly members, their salaries and allowances for more than 1 year. These people have no income to pay their children's school fees, to feed their families, and you were jubilating. You were jubilating. People were encouraging you. Nothing would happen. Nothing would happen. Something has happened. Something has what? Happened. And let me tell you, I'm not going to stop assembly from performing their constitutional duties. Assembly should be allowed to perform their constitutional duty. People who love peace don't threaten people. The more you threaten, the more you work. Assembly people must do their work. Whatever they deem necessary and fit that is constitutional, they should do. I'm not going to stop anybody from carrying out his or her powers. I will not do that.
Ebenezer, 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 my stone of help, only you are my helper.
Mr. President invited all of us. For peace. After that day, we the leaders sat. We told the assembly, go back and withdraw that impeachment notice since Mr. President has intervened for peace. Instead of them to do their own part, they instigated so many court actions, using it as an excuse. It's okay. It's okay. When they won the Court of Appeal, they were doing Thanksgiving. Is it not? Is it not? Now, judiciary was the last hope then. Today, we won. They say we should not do Thanksgiving. Are they being fair?
Judgment day is coming. Judgment day is coming. All men shall stand before the throne of God and give account of himself.
And Judgment Day has come. You know the man who is Judgment Day? What's the occasion is called Judgment Day? Because he said it. Judgment Day will come. And Judgment Day has come. Ordinarily, people like him, people like Osije, people like Chief Sergeant Awuse, our senators, leaders, are those, if you want really to bring peace, are those they should go and talk to. Not talking to people who have caused more damage, who have gone on television to make noise, to castigate us, collect money, go on television. When you are finished talking, can you come to us again? You cannot. And you say people don't want peace. Who are you to bring peace? When president intervened, people like Saraibe, they went to court challenging Mr. President that he has no power, that's not constitutional. I was told Saraibe was in the villa for president to intervene. You that went to court, that president has no power to settle. Now you have run back to the same president. You must be consistent to your life. Politics comes with good and bad. When good comes, you chop. When the bad one comes, you face it. Nothing like, please what? So, we cannot, our efforts, our sweat, we cannot be pushed out. We cannot be pushed out. All of you suffered. And somebody will just come because they gave him power overnight and say, get out. You can tell us, get out. Will you accept this, get out?
This kind God, another one no day. This kind God, another one no day.
All those who said they will not serve master and son are the ones now waiting on the road, opening door for the son. People have no conscience at all. Those who wrote petition to EFCC against this governor, for him not to be a governor, are all now people who are saying they will decide. Decide for who? For us? For us? They're not yet born. I have defeated them before, and I'll continue to defeat them.
His name is Wike. His name is Wike. We are the performing minister. His name is Wike. Hey! We want to abandon our barrier.
So, for me, let me tell you, I have made it clear whether anybody wants to hang himself. This state, I don't know who is anywhere. Can be anywhere. But let me tell you today is 15th of supporting President Ahmed Bola. Can be. I don't say one thing in the afternoon, I say another thing in the night. I don't do that. When I was governor, everybody knew my position. I never went to the villa in the night. I said my own clearly. Some people, when they have problem for Tinubu, in the night, they do a different thing. I will not do that. I will not do that. And heaven will not fall. Everybody who remembers you in the rainy season, you also remember him. Right? Assuming Mr. President did not give us this position we occupy. Assuming. We were hoping that we had a governor that would take care of our people. You not? What would have happened today to us? What would have happened? So, will somebody come and preach to us to tell us to support somebody? No. No. So, let nobody deceive you that the governor is your job. This one is not true. All of you here are job, is it not? Are you benefiting? So what is this? Politics is interest. Is it not correct? If they were writing an exam, you wouldn't have carried it. So let nobody come and deceive you. When they go and collect money at the back, they tell you, let's go and do this. Ask him, that's what you collected last night. Did you put my own there? Did you put my own there? We must come up to say, people must not behave and treat people, use people and dump them. And then you say it's politics. That politics has to stop. That politics of use and dump must stop now. Enough is enough. So, for what you've done today, I don't know how to thank you. You have shown capacity. You have shown your ground. God will continue to bless all of you. Bless our leader and all those who. Let me tell you this. Look at the problem. Who started this problem? Let me tell you so you know. Daragogo, secretary to government. What they did, he went and used his senior brother with the job. Justice Daragogo sat down under ex-party order, said 27 members have defected. Ex-party, not on notice. Secretary to government, lured his brother George, Justice to give ex-party order that the government can present budget to 3-4 people. Justice Daragogo, Secretary Daragogo, the judge who gave the order, Daragogo. Now look at how people can destroy a state. That's the genesis of all this crisis. How a judge will sit down under ex-party order that people have defected, that you can present budget to 3-4 people. And still, he has to remain. Look at what the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court did. Look at Daragogo, who wanted to be governor. He was so pained that he was not given. He followed the governor, and this governor does not know. This one, ever. Ask me. He will lead you to hellfire.
Yes, baby. See how far you brought us. Yes, baby. I'm so glad you found me worthy. I can see, bam, 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 I can tell.